What guys, this is JJ Gold and welcome back to my next video. You guys can see I'm reacting to Guest Double Beating again. I'm reacting to Can't Talk to Jamaicans part 3. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Double Beating, and yeah, I'm gonna react to him. So I told you guys in my last video, I told you I'm gonna react to part 3 in the end of my other video. So this time I'm going to react to it. So yeah, don't forget you guys to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to Double Beating, and don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to add me on my PlayStation Network as Golden Lion. My name is Golden Lion minus J. Golden Lion 2002/J. There is a picture of sunglasses with a little afro or a beard. Oh, so yeah. Don't forget to do that. Yeah, if you guys want to watch the original video, make sure we have a link in the description right below, absolute below. It will be, and here you go. Yeah, Bob Marley. Yeah, I'm gonna put the Bob Marley song in the description as well. I know you guys will love Bob Marley. I'm a big fan of him, and yeah. So yeah. Yeah, go. I thought, wait now, cause I drank coffee, isn't it? So I thought fine. Oh shit, man, this is hilarious. Oh god. What the hell? Why does he end his video in the middle of it? I don't know. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Double Beating, man. Oh my god, he's hilarious. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to him. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I love you and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.